I mean, I just think it's an incredible bit of kit.
It could prick a lot of interest.
It's definitely something that the market in the future is looking for.
What was your initial thoughts on the launch of SuperTurf?
Yeah, really good. I think it's something, we're really excited to tell our customers about. I think it's kind of what we are looking for in the market. I think there's sort of a uniqueness there. It's something sort of we're looking for and also something different at the same time. So yeah, really excited to contact our customers and potentially get some really good demos and future orders.
Yeah, really interesting. I think certainly for Football Association grants and small sports clubs, it could prick a lot of interest and tick a lot of boxes for us as well.
I think the introduction of the new SuperTurf is interesting. The setup is, well, the day is great, so I'm glad to be here.
That is super. The product quality is very good and very durable. I think it's also very strong in East Asia as well.
I think there is a good market for it. It's the first time I've seen the solution. I think it brings more flexibility to your mow deck. I think it's a really good attachment for the mow deck, yeah.
I think it's a very interesting product for different applications, and I'm looking forward to demoing it with some of our customers and getting their feedback. But yeah, it's definitely an exciting product.
My thoughts are I think SuperTurf will be a really good option for a lot of ground-based football clubs. I think it gives them a better storage option, and it also gives them a better option in terms of time and allowing them to do basic maintenance all in one sweep. So I think it's going to be a really good option for them, and I look forward to displaying it to many of my customers.
Super excited about the SuperTurf that's obviously just come out. Obviously, I mean, I just think it's an incredible bit of kit. I think the positives that come from it with regards to, the volunteers, the unsung heroes, the time it will save. The benefits are untold with what that bit of kit can do for grassroots football. So yeah, really excited about that kit.
Super.
Hope we sell it for you.
Thanks, Pete.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you.